Hi folks, wish you are having a great time and trying to attune to new normal under the COVID regime. Today we have a wonderful news for all of you around the world. As you know, we at Bytes Center of Excellence are associated with various international organizations and academic and professional institutions. Therefore, taking the lead, we are coming up with initiatives to support organizations in celebrating World Quality Month, full of fun and joy, while refreshing their commitment to quality and excellence. And we'd say that it is totally aligned with our vision, mission, and strategic approach to help organizations in achieving and sustaining excellence. First of all, a quick brief about World Quality Month. It is being celebrated for a few decades now during the month of November as a day, as a week, and even as a complete month. International quality organizations such as American Society for Quality, Chartered Quality Institute, United Nations also provide guidelines to their affiliate organizations. Here at Bytes Center of Excellence, we are proposing themes that organizations can choose from and work with us to conduct several events to best utilize this opportunity and join the global mainstream. We'll design, develop, and conduct the session with your staff. These themes have been prepared around several ideas, mainly based upon our extensive experience in corporate sector and from our exposure with global quality gurus. It's a happy coincidence that World Quality Month falls within the last quarter of the year, and it provides another opportunity of aligning strategic and operational or production planning with the quality policy, objectives, and goals. Here comes a very important announcement. We are really glad to share that we have prepared customized packages for different types of organizations at economical and affordable prices for both manufacturing and service industries, as well as academic and professional institutions, to help them utilize this opportunity and join the global mainstream. We also invite our friends and colleagues all around the globe to join us in this program. Please note that we are now reaching out to the organizations very soon. Organizations and individual professionals may also contact us at our social media handles and our contact numbers. Please share this message with all the friends and folks who have potential with success stories or wishing to create success stories. You may share by liking, sharing others with others, asking to like and follow all our social media handles. Looking forward to hear back from you. And we really thank you very much for your time and attention.